Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to teach you how to edit a video from start to finish. If you're new to making videos for YouTube, TikTok, school projects, or just for fun, editing might seem confusing at first. But don't worry, I'm going to break everything down step by step so anyone can learn it. In this video we'll go over importing your footage, cutting and trimming clips, adding music and sound effects, using transitions, adding text and effects, and exporting your final video. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to turn raw footage into a polished video. So let's get started. Before you even start editing, it's important to plan your video. Ask yourself a few questions. What is the goal of the video? Who is the audience? What story are you trying to tell? For example, if you are making a tutorial, you want your clips to clearly show the steps. If you're making a vlog, you want the clips to flow naturally and feel interesting. The first step in editing is importing your footage into your editing software. Open your video editor and create a new project. Then look for a button that says, Import Media, Upload Files or Add Clips. Select the videos you recorded and add them to your project. Once they are uploaded, drag the clips onto the timeline. The timeline is where all the editing happens. The timeline is one of the most important parts of video editing. This is where you arrange your clips in the order you want them to appear. Each clip sits on the timeline like a puzzle piece. You can move clips left or right to change their order. You can also stack things like music, sound effects, and text on different layers. Now it's time to clean up your video by cutting and trimming clips. Most videos have parts that you don't need, like mistakes, long pauses, background noise, or moments where nothing interesting is happening. Use the cut or split tool to remove these sections. Place the playhead where you want to cut the clip, click split, and delete the unwanted part. This helps make your video shorter, faster, and more engaging. Music can completely change the mood of your video. To add music, upload an audio file and drag it to the audio track on your timeline. Make sure the music is not too loud. The audience should still be able to hear your voice clearly. You can lower the volume of the music so it plays softly in the background. Transitions help clips flow smoothly from one scene to another. Some common transitions include fade, slide, zoom, dissolve. To add a transition, drag it between two clips on your timeline. But remember, too many transitions can make your video look messy. Simple transitions usually look the best. Text is really helpful for explaining things in your video. You can use text to add titles, instructions, names, captions. Choose a font that is easy to read and make sure the text stays on screen long enough for viewers to read it. You can also improve the look of your video by adjusting colors. Most editing programs allow you to change brightness, contrast, saturation. These adjustments help your video look clearer and more professional. Audio quality is extremely important. Even if your video looks great, people might stop watching if the sound is bad. Make sure your voice is loud enough and clear. If your music is too loud, lower the volume so your voice can still be heard. Before exporting your video, watch the entire thing from beginning to end. Look for things like clips that are too long, audio that is too loud, text that appears too quickly, or mistakes you missed earlier. Fix anything that doesn't look right. Once everything looks good, it's time to export your video. Click the export or download button. Choose a good resolution like 1080p so the video looks high quality. Once the export finishes, your video is ready to upload. And that's how you edit a video from start to finish. Editing can feel hard at first, but the more you practice, the easier it gets. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.